Welcome to the channel. It's May Bank Holiday 2024, so for all you Star Wars fans, may the Force be with you. The sun has blessed us finally, so I've got a nice long weekend. So I've booked into the Ross On Wye Campsite for 2 nights, and the plan is to set up camp, chill out for the evening, and then tomorrow I'm going to go kayaking. So I'm really looking forward to the next couple of days. So I brought my Easy Camp 300 tent with me today, mainly because it just gives me a little bit more space. I'm being here for 2 days and having things like the cooler box, the power bank and things like that just gives me a little bit more room to play around with. I did think that there was going to be a problem with it because one of the eyelets where the pole goes is a little bit wider than the actual pole. So I've actually bought a spare tent instead. So the question I want to ask you is, if you know there may be a problem with your chosen tent, do you A, take a spare one, or do you just think, I'll suck it up and improvise and deal with it? Let me know in the comments. Nice to have a drink. I forgot my coffee. Well, I remembered my coffee. I forgot my filters attachment to drain all the dregs out. Yeah, so I had to go up the garage and get some proper coffee, and I also got some more milk as well. But I really like it here. It's coming up for sunset, I suppose. Got about another hour or so. But yeah, just enjoying a bit of peace and quiet, and then I'll go and cook some tea. I think I'll have my burgers tonight. Can't remember last time I tried skimming a stone. Let's give it a go. Maybe that's why I gave up. Right, it's about 11:45 now, so I'm going to settle down for the night. I've not recorded much this evening, mainly because you couldn't see anything. It's pretty dark outside, so a little bit of footage of the fire. It was quite nice. So I had the burgers, and then I just read the book. So I'm going to get some kip, and I will see you all tomorrow. Night now. Morning all. Didn't seem too bad. It was a cold one. It was 4 degrees when I woke up this morning, but I had a good sleep. Woke up about 8 o'clock, so I'm just going to have a chill out morning and then get the kayak out after. I haven't recorded too much around the camp, only because there's quite a few families and kids and that around, so I'm trying to keep it a little bit private for them. I'll come back, so I've had breakfast, had a bit of a chill, and kayak's all set up. I'm just by the riverbank, ready to launch my kayak. I've not put a skeg in today because because it's a river, it can be quite low in places, and don't want to ruin it when I try getting out either. I say try. I've not done much in the river, so yeah, let's see how we get on. I'm not going to record it because I'm just concerned about being able to get the camera back after, but maybe later when I get a bit more confident. That didn't go too bad. That was alright. So I've got paddling upstream because there's I wouldn't call them rapids, but a little bit of wild water. And I'm figuring that it'll be easier to do it while I got the stamina than when I'm a little bit knackered. So I'm going to see if that's possible. I know a lot of the canal trips, what they do is they take you up to a standing point, and then actually I think I'm going the wrong way. Let's turn around. It was a bit hairy. I'm actually going downstream now. I thought it was upstream, but it's not. I'm going to keep the boat as level as I can and try and get into the side if I can. I thought that I was going upstream, but apparently not. Well, there we are, you're living then. If I keep into the side, I should be able to miss the rougher water and go the other way. That was a bit of fun, wasn't it? Unexpected drama. Right, I'm going to concentrate now because I need to get past this bit here. Right, I think we'll go. Right, yeah, so schoolboy error. I went the wrong way. So all the rough water is here. So what I'm going to try and do is walk the kayak out where the water is calmer. See if I can get downhill. I'm going to put the camera away while I do that, only because I don't want it to fall in the water and be something else to worry about. Well, that got the heart rate going. Yeah, I got around it. Not so much scary, just, you know, I was stuck I didn't know how to get out of it, but I managed it. I'm gonna go back to the campsite, have a coffee and chill a little bit, and then I'll probably go the other way now. So see you in a bit. Nice one, Becky. It's just started raining. I stopped kayaking about maybe an hour ago. Come home, had a cup of coffee and a quick sandwich. So I'm just going to chill out in the tent for a bit. Yeah, it's been a good day. I've really enjoyed it. It's been good. This is my happy face. Bit of a change in the weather, that was. Checked it down with rain for about an hour. It's all okay. I mean, it's still quite cloudy. I think we might get some more later, so I made a little shelter for cooking in later. I've got a proper tarp. It's a ground sheet that I bought. What do you think? Think it'll work? Let me know in the comments. The rain's not stopped. I'm kind of in a bit of shelter, so it's not too bad. Anyway, I started to do tea. It is currently coming up to 7 o'clock. I'm going to try and make like a noodle omelette type thing. Probably not going to be able to film too much of it because of the weather. But let's see how it turns out. A mixture. Noodles, garlic, spring onions, tomatoes, and cheese, and garlic. I'll leave that in there for 5 minutes and then flip it over. Beauty of the ridge monkey. And see how it turns out. Right, nearly done, guys. Never cut this before. Let's have a little look. Oof. Oh yeah. A little bit maybe. Evening all. It's something o'clock. I've got no idea what the time is. Sorry. I didn't record much this evening purely because the weather was awful. It just rained most of the evening until about 9 o'clock, and then I met up with some fellow campers. We've had 1 or 4 drinks, and here we are. It's bedtime, so I'm going to say good night now. It's been a good night, the end of a good weekend, so I will say good night and catch you in the morning. Take care. Bye now. Morning. Yeah, morning. Not bad night's sleep. Quite nice, enjoyable evening actually. So cook it up, have some coffee, and then start packing away. So I'll catch you in a bit. Just a tent to come down now. Don't forget, if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, and watch out for more videos. Hopefully I'll get a wild camping one in soon. I was going to say the weather's improving, but it rained most of the afternoon and night, so we have to wait and see on that one.